ene e nngwe e nyaka o nne fase o e lebelela ga botse gore ngwana a batho nkane mola yo thomang go posta gore yena o gaya nto a thaela ke lelo tse di jwale nyaka o nne fase o e lebelele ore a yo posta ngwana a batho go thoma go posta gore yena o gaya nto o busy ka o ikgaela nto a thaela ke lelo tse di jwale wa postiwa video tse di jwale ka ene tša trenda lo tse di seo ka ene tša trenda ape ke batho ba bantši ba dirilo tša o tshwana le lo tse ene a di diang ba di dia re ya ba tseba mara ena ngwana batho wa yo re thoma posta nto gore ena o gaya nto lo tse di jwale tša mothaela le tlhokomele gore batho ba bantši ba gausi le nna ba nyake lo tse di botse ba nyake le talo tse di botse le thoma le talo tse di botse go bontšha gore lethalefile batho mo o tolwa ba ka o tsela le ka mo tlhaloganyong ya o ka mo o rudie ntlo ya bošilo ba ka sebela moopolo wa o rudie ntlo ya bošilo e le re ka o tswa o distora ka bošilo Limpopo boy a nyake modimo o tla tseba.
Oh well, you guys, hello there and welcome back to the channel. So that was Umusaniki. He is a ZCC prophet. He is basically saying that we need to be very much aware of what's happening spiritually. He claims that what if all of this is all spiritual? What if everything that's happening to the Limpopo boy is spiritual? Because he has been, flaunting what he's doing. Back at home, he has built this very beautiful big house back at home. He flaunts his cars on social media. He's doing pretty much good for himself. He says that what if the enemy decided to destroy him? And this is the way that the enemy is trying to destroy his life, because the enemy works in, very devious and tricky ways. He has so much plans up his sleeve. Musa says that maybe he is bewitched. Maybe witches are attacking him spiritually. He says that witches do not operate the way we think that they do. What if they whispered something in his mind to make him do this kind of out of character videos? Of course, he has been dragged in the comment section. People were saying that he is just looking for an excuse and there's no such thing as witchcraft, and that Limpopo boy has always been a player. Basically, it's just that this time he was exposed for the masses to see, while others were saying that this is probably a humiliation ritual. I think I saw a tweet in the morning. Somebody said this is definitely a humiliation ritual, and that in the upcoming months he is going to be sorted. He is going to make a lot of money in his career. They're just testing him. Guys, what do you think about this? And just last night he released a statement and apologizing, and in the statement, however, he stated that he did not know that Matshidiso was a married woman, and people came for him saying that, what do you mean? You and Matshidiso's husband were BFFs. I mean, we have seen videos and pictures of you on the husband's social media page. You were with them, and now you're just coming out here to throw Matshidiso under the bus. He apologized, you guys. I feel like at this point, people just need to forgive him. You and I, we have our own dirty laundries in the closet. It's just that you and I are not public figures like he is. I feel like brands were wrong in just dropping him. I feel like he has apologized, and it's about time that everybody forgives him and move on from this chapter. What do you guys think? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video, and to make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.